What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another vlog, man. I'm just on the road. Look at the same shirt, same everything as the last one, because I'm making 2 vlogs a day. So if I wear the same thing, that's why. But anyways, right now our package has came. This is the one I've been waiting for all day today. Woo! Anyways, I'm gonna unbox this right now. Yeah, but this thing, I'm gonna unbox it right now. We got a selfie stick. We got the mounts, and I'm pretty sure we got another mount or what? Okay, so this one. So I'm gonna read this, and we're gonna figure this out right here. Raw dog it in. Unbox this thing. Oh shit! Alright guys, pag ganyan. Gagi ganyan eh. Alright guys, we got that thing installed. Updating it. Gonna test this out. Alright, what's good, YouTube? Let's test out this camera. Alright, yo, I just happened to see this car meet along the way. I did not even know there's a car meet today. Dang, look at this Chevy GT500.
What's sand? What's sand? Okay, what's sand, Mike? Congratulations. Okay, guys, get.
Damn, you think he hooked?
Okay, next, we got 2 of them going out. Is Dave.
He makes me feel poor with my base GT. That might be a different dude. Ooh, look at this Z06 though. Damn, I love this Z06, bro. Got 10 speed. Cheers. Z06. Dude, I want one of those. Which one? This one?
Yeah, it's so cute.
Yeah, it's like Mafia. It's a Mac 1? Dude. It's a Mac 1. Oh my god, that blue's so nice, bro. I told you, I always see this guy, bro. I always see him. Yeah. See, I always see him in meets. Yeah, his Camaro's fire, bro. Yeah, Chevy guy though. That shit fire. Hey, your pops didn't go. Huh? Your pops didn't go.
Oh shit, nah.
He was asking me to go downtown with y'all yesterday.
Yeah, nah.
Yeah, I didn't go.
No, he went.
Did you guys went? Yeah, you
Yeah.
guys went. Yeah, I didn't
We
go.
went downtown. We just take pictures.
Yeah.
Got some food.
Yeah, he was looking at my GT and then.
That's who you is. I'm like, he was telling me about you. I'm like, I ain't seen you though.
Yeah. That shit.
Man, I heard you just got it though.
Huh?
You just got it?
Yeah, I just got it like a week ago.
Okay,
yeah.
I know he was telling me about it. I'm like, who are you talking about?
Yeah. This one. You know, that shit fire. Dude, this the one I won. Love, this the one I won. Love, ito yung gusto ko. Ganyan. This shit fire though. Hey, my boy Ballin', he got the X4. I only have the X2. My shit old. But he got the longer stick though. He got the longer stick. We got the same mount, but he got the longer stick, I think. Fire though. I want one of these. I want one of those wheels, man. Them VMAs, they look fire. They're not that too expensive, so they're cheap. They're not like welds. And he football ton. He got the manifold, Boss 302, JLT. I want one of those.